So welcome everyone. Today is Wednesday, 12 p.m. and what better way to spend a Wednesday as an unemployed YouTuber than to customize and upgrade your desk setup. So it's been a little while. I've had side-by-side monitors at this desk here and it's been a great experience. Honestly, I really enjoyed it and it's been great, but I always wondered what would it look like if I had a standing monitor setup. So instead of having them side by side, having them stacked on top of one another. So with that idea in mind, I started to prepare and clean my desk for the install of this new setup. So naturally cleaning the desk, and I had to remove the old monitor setup, which I had two monitor arms, which was kind of inconvenient. Yes, I was able to move them freely independently, but it wasn't the best and it wasn't my favorite setup. So removing both monitors was the first step indeed to changing the setup, and I had to change the arm as well. Now this new arm is from Vivo and it's a great one. It's actually a brand that I've used a lot when it comes to monitor arms. They have the standing monitor setup, which is really cool. Now since my desk setup is actually a little bit of a mess, I was trying to figure out how I was gonna cable route everything and keep the cables in order for me to actually put everything together. Now since the setup is running on two monitors, I naturally have more cables than your usual setup, so I had to find a way to route everything, but thankfully my initial setup was already kind of prepared for that, which is great. I didn't have to waste any time. Now it's time to remove the arms from both of my monitors so I can use the new brackets and I can install them on the new arm stand. Once that is done, I am now ready to put my first monitor, which is actually my gaming monitor. It's a Sansui 27-inch monitor. It's a great monitor. I've had it for a long time. Now on top of that monitor sits my Lenovo monitor. This is a very basic screen. It's nothing crazy, 24 inches. It's at the most 1080p. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done for now. And honestly, I haven't felt the need to upgrade. Now this is my first time experiencing stacked monitors, and honestly it was a little bit of an adjusting curve because I didn't really know exactly how to place them. As you'll see here, I was trying to figure out a way to make them equal and actually sit right. I've seen a lot of videos where a lot of people would actually put the top monitor upside down just so it kind of removes those extra bezels, but in my situation the monitors aren't even the same, so it wouldn't have created that much more difference anyway. Now that the main configuration has practically been changed, it's time to put all my accessories back and actually get this setup up and running. Now this is the final result. In my personal opinion, I think it looks great. I'm actually more happy with this than what I had before, and I can justify this upgrade. I've been using it for a little bit of time now and kind of wanted to share my opinion in this video. So for the longest of time, I've been rocking with this one chair that I got from a store, and honestly, it's been fine, but I've been told many times that ergonomic chairs actually make a huge difference, and so FlexiSpot was kind enough to send me their OC6B ergonomic chair. Now this chair is no different to other ergonomic chairs. It's built in the same fashion, and unboxing it and actually setting the chair up was super easy, straightforward. You probably don't even need the instructions. That's how easy it is to set up. There's a couple of bolts, everything is provided inside, and that's what I like above FlexiSpot. They really just make it super easy, so there are no complications when you do set up their products. But this ergonomic chair is truly one of a kind. It actually has other variants. It has a pro version. This is one of the more regular ones, and to be fair, for what it's worth, it's honestly such a good chair. It's been providing such comfort. It's kind of lightweight and minimal, so the profile of it is not too crazy, which is great because the space I have in my room is not that big. Now it does come with basically all the features that your normal chairs would have. So it has the armrest adjustable. You can put them at any height that you'd like. You can also tilt them inwards or outwards, whatever your preference is. You can tilt the backrest completely down and you can lock it into position, so wherever you want to have it, maybe fully reclined or fully straight or somewhere in between, you can decide which one you want, and it's good because that allows you to have that freedom and adjust on the fly. It's made out of really comfortable materials and it's super nice to the touch. The natural design of it makes it very breathable as well, so for long sessions it's going to be great. You're not going to get too hot. And one of its best features is the lumbar support. It has really good built-in technology that's going to support your back for long periods and long sessions. It can get very straining on the lower back, and this chair definitely takes a keen eye to that and takes care of your health on the long run. And overall, it's just a super comfortable chair. It's been great for like my gaming sessions and just overall productivity. It's great for whatever the case is. If you're a gamer or if you work at your desk a lot, then you're definitely going to find some value out of this chair. Now since I was changing things up and upgrading my desk setup, I figured that this would be the perfect opportunity to also incorporate an ergonomic chair, and this one from FlexiSpot has been great. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave everything in the description down below. As always, going to make it super easy for you guys. Now let's move on. So there you go. This is my new upgraded vertical standing monitor gaming setup. I have everything on my desk at hand's reach. As you'll see, this is the new setup. It's looking pretty good. Honestly, I think it's honestly a really cool upgrade. I have my Sony XM6s at hand's reach whenever I need them. And this is my new microphone for the setup, which I actually want to talk about. This is from Mayono, and it's actually a combo. As you'll see, it comes together. The microphone itself is the PD300X. It's a really cool microphone, professional grade. Now, naturally, you can connect it via USB-C, as most microphones nowadays provide that standard option, but it also supports XLR, which is great because you will be able to get the most quality out of the microphone itself. Now, naturally, if you're going to use this with the XLR cable, you'll need an audio interface, and Mayono also provides an audio interface, which is great. This is my 3-in-1 setup. I have the microphone arm, and the audio interface, which has a lot of cool features. You also have a built-in voice changer. You have reverb features. You can turn your voice into super low or super high. It's honestly really cool, and really the best part about all this is that all this gear is really affordable. So you get nice looking gear, it's professional, it gets the job done, and it doesn't break the bank. If you want more info, check the description. So yeah, that's pretty much a wrap up on my setup. It has improved in the slightest, I would say, but I feel like sometimes small upgrades actually go a long way. In my case here, we have the new monitor setup, which I really like. It's great. It's been doing the job for me, honestly. Right now, I'm about to get some productivity work, and then later I'm gonna have a gaming session. So it's been great just to alternate. I have my controllers at hand's reach. I have all the things I need. Super clean surface for the most part. I only have a mouse pad, keyboard, mouse. I have a wireless mouse for my MacBook, and then my plugged-in Razer mouse for the PC. So when I'm doing some gaming on the PC, it's great. The reason why I really wanted to get rid of my side monitor and put it above is because I wanted to kind of make it so I have one main focus, and that's just the main gaming monitor, or just the main monitor itself. And then if I wanted to have any additional information, which I typically always use the other monitor, that's not the problem. The problem is I didn't want to have it next to me. Number one, aesthetically it wasn't great. Number two, it was hiding my other speaker, so I didn't really like the coordination and just kind of like the cleanliness of the actual setup. And third of all, I find personally it looks better up there. It's just the overall harmony that I have for my setup. I'm really curious to know what you guys think of this setup. Hopefully this video has given you some insights on some of the stuff. I do want to give another thank you to the team over at FlexiSpot for sending the chair my way and making this video possible. The desk is also from FlexiSpot, in case you guys were wondering, so I'll leave everything down below if you want to check it out. Now, I hope to see you guys on my next desk setup upgrade. Hopefully it's going to be pretty soon. It might not be here, it actually might be on my office space. So until then, I wish you the best of luck in everything you do, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.